John and Heidi with Hike Bites. Glad you came along. We're at Crystal Cove and we parked at the Los Trancos parking lot. 15 bucks, just to give you a heads up. And you got to take the beach trail down to this tunnel that leads you under PCH to the tide pools and caves, which we're going to show you here in a minute.
Here we go now.
Okay, we made it through to the other side, went through time, through the twilight zone, and here we are. We're going to the tide pools and the sea caves. Okay, we're down here by the beach and we're passing what they call the cottages. It has a visitor center, it has the beach cafe, and probably just in about a quarter mile we'll be at the beach where the tide pools are. See you there. Got the beautiful surf behind us. We're looking at the sea cave from above the beach. That looks inviting, doesn't it, Heidi?
It sure does.
Beach cave. It's got awesome texture, colors and layers. Loving that. And I guess it goes back a little further.
Oh wow. Look how deep it goes.
It keeps going, huh? Well, let me go in there. Let's show them what it looks like. Whoa.
Watch your head.
It's pretty small, guys. Wow. Very short.